Let us solve for x in this exponential problem. H raised to power x is equal to 500. We are given h raised to power x is equal to 500. Again, this is an exponential problem, and we can take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. So log h raised to power x is equal to log 500. By law of logarithm, the left-hand side expression, which is of the form log p raised to power a, by logarithm, this can be expressed as a times log p. Therefore, this becomes x times log 8 is equal to log 500. Then I'm going to divide both sides by log 8. So that log 8 cancels log 8 here, and then we have x is equal to log 500 divided by log 8. We can also write this as x is equal to log. Let us express 500 as 4 times 125, then all divided by log 8. For the numerator, this is of the form log a times b, and by law of logarithm, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. So we say x is equal to log 4 plus log 125, then all divided by log 8. Then I'll separate that division to give us log 4 divided by log 8, then plus log 125 divided by log 8. This can also be expressed as x is equal to log 4 here is 2 raised to power 2, then divided by log 8 here is 2 raised to power 3, then plus log 125 here is 5 raised to power 3, and divided by log 8, which is 2 raised to power 3. X will give us 2 log 2 divided by 3 log 2, then plus, this will be 3 log 5 divided by 3 log 2. Log 2 cancels log 2. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1. So x is equal to, what is left here is 2 over 3. Then plus log 5 divided by log 2. For this expression, given log a divided by log b, by law of logarithm, this will give us log a base b. So this can be expressed as log 5 base 2. Hence, the final value for x is going to be 2 over 3 plus log 5 base 2. Let us now check to confirm that this is correct. To do that, I'll substitute this value of x that we just got into the given equation. 8 raised to power x is equal to 500. This would then imply 8. X is all of this, so we have 8 raised to power 2 over 3 plus log 5 base 2 to give us 500. Let's separate these powers. To do that, we use this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. This would then imply 8 raised to power 2 over 3 times 8 raised to power log 5 base 2 is equal to 500. I will express this as cube root of 8 raised to power 2. Here, let's write this as 2 raised to power 3 times log 5 base 2 to give us 500. Cube root of 8 is 2. 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power. I can take this all the way back here to give me 2 raised to power log 5 raised to power 3 base 2 to give us 500. So this gives us 4 times 2 raised to power log 5 raised to power 3 is 125 base 2 is equal to 500. This expression here is of the form a raised to power log m base a. By law of logarithm, this will give us m as long as this base and this base are the same. So this base and this base are the same, so this will give us 125. So we're going to have 4 times 125 to give us 500. 4 times 125 is 500. So we have 500 is equal to 500. Since the left-hand side balances the right-hand side, that automatically confirms that the solution we got for x is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.